Good morning to everyone. I am Riya Kumari from BCA third year and I have attended a workshop of 3 days of AI and ML. And today I am going to show you the project given by Praveen sir, that is, can any person be eligible for getting a loan or not? So in this project, I use logistic regression, and we know that we use logistic regression to perform classifications problems. And first of all, I explain the process and then move forward. In first step, we load the library, and the second step is to load the data using pandas. Now, third step is to pre-processing the data, which means we check the data. If any data is null, then we will fix it first and then move forward. Now, the fourth step is to plot the data using matplotlib. After that, we train, test and fit the data using sklearn, and last we predict the data. So now moving to the code. So here we can see that we have to import 4 libraries first of all, and we import pandas, and we use pandas for taking data from data source. Now we import numpy. Numpy is for performing logistic operations on the data. Now third is matplotlib. To plot the data we use matplotlib. Now the fourth is sklearn, to train, test and fit the data. And we provide alias name to pandas as PD, numpy as NP, matplotlib as PLT and as. Now moving further, here we can see that pd.read.csv, which means it reads a CSV file that name is loan eligibility datasets, and df.head means it shows the first 5 rows to us. And now after that we see that df.shape, which means it provides us the number of columns and number of rows. Here number of rows is 1000 and number of columns is 13. So we see that age, gender, marital status, dependents, educational level, employment status, annual income, loan amount, loan term months, credit history, property area and outcomes. After that, we write df.outcome.value counts, which means it counts that graph is where lie. So here we see that the numbers of people who do not get loans are higher than the number of people who get loan. So the number of people who do not get loan is 725 and the people who get loan is 225. After that we check if any data is if any data is null, then we write is null.sum. It provides us the null value. Now we use matplotlib and its alias as plt.scatter to plot the graph, and we take annual income and outcome and we choose red color. So here we can see the number of people who get loan is for plus and the people who do not get is minus. So this number is higher than the given one. After that, we split the data for train and test purpose. So we chose 80% of data for training purpose and 20% is for testing purpose. Now we fit the data and predict the data. So here the result, we take length, and the length is 200, that is 20% of 1000 is 200, so it is perfectly all right. So thank you.